kulama content creator kade enza content lana angasayenzi senze njani ama page eni so unfollow nemesenze njani ngoba phela senidayisa imoto into akade sinilandelela yona senishila anisasibona isidingo sayo.
Inkinga iqala lapho ke ekutheni umuntu athi ipage lakhe alenza ipage leyimonto. Yalenza ipage leyimonto uthi uyafika epage lomuntu owumthanda umfollow ngoba wayekuhlekisa uyamthanda noma umthandela whatever le ayenza ayisekho sidalwa sekuyimoto imoto uhappy kube ngathi lema page yakwabonela ama page lawa ano 2 followers 5 followers lawa post imoto njani sicefe vele kube ngathi lawo ama page lawo ke vele kube ngathi lawo ama page lawo ngoba phela working with cars is not a problem bese kodwa uyaqhubeka phela wenze lento abantu abakuthandela yona or abakufollowela yona because abantu abakufollowela ngemonto kuba ubuwenza imoto from the get go bebengeke beze bekulandela yabo so uqhubeka uwenze lento abantu abakuthandela yona uhlekisa mawuhlekisa uwenza beauty and bani makuthi ubuwenza beauty whatever buyenza uqhubeka uyenze uqhubeka udayise yabo nje kube kuya ngabe ushaya ivideo yakho yamahlaya bese uthi egcineni ufaka ivideo yakho yeyimoto ushaya ivideo yakho partner ndawo ufaka imoto lapha 3 seconds 5 seconds nyana ngoba asifuna kubona imoto thina mase uyaqhubeka ke nevideo yakho uwenza yabo angazi ungamisa kanjani kodwa leyo ukuthi ubalahle completely abantu iyona inkinga because kushuthi kumele abantu kade bekufollowela ukuthi bakuthandela into ethize ongasayenzi bakiyeke unfollow bahambe kusalela abathanda imoto ngoba manje usupostela abantu abeyimoto kuphela usupostela abantu abathanda imoto uthi uyafika epage lomuntu othola of 500k views 900k views 100k likes 4000 views ivideo yemoto 500k likes ngani ngoba abantu abasayibona into bona abayithandayo ayikho I think mina makungalungiswa lapho nje because ukunithanda sisanithanda nokunfollowa sisazonifollowa but kuba nzima
yazi laba fethu ngithule ngiyacabanga serious ngicabanga lento eshiwo yilengane ukuthi ithi mengabe sivuma ukusebenza ngeyimotweni ngama page ethu siyawabulala ama page guys leya ngane iyamdinga udokotela leya ngane ayikho right because awungitshele nje uTikTok phela iApp uTikTok uyafana noMixity kwakuthiwa iBB bani lento ye BlackBerry niyayikhumbula i-app nje ongavuka ngakusasa singasekho kade beku-offerishile umsebenzi bakufonela halfway kwathiwa uyathanda ukudayisa nathi imoto wathi wena cha angifuni ukudlala ngepage lapha ipage elingasile elingakuniki ngisho half a cent ngisho isifating awutholi lutho ngaleli page lakho ujabulela ukuthi nje likhulu nje kuphela owancinda kamafinyila ke bekukhangeza abantu loze lishonila ngolekukhangezwa ulinda ipage lakhe elikhulu niyamdinga kodwa udokotela nini uyazi nje ayi
hey bakithi yazi yakhulumisa indaba yokudayisa imoto hey bafethu asenzeni kanjena ke manje mawuzizwa ukuthi ulambile ufuna umsebenzi cela kahle umsebenzi uyeka amagama abantu odansayo kuyamsiza ukuthi adayise imoto edansa okhulumayo kuyamsiza ukwazi imoto akusizi ngalutho umuntu ozothenga imoto kwena ushukelaza uhlobo lwemoto azoyithenga so akudinga ukuthi uzumimpress so lezi zinto enizenza ngathi ne-strategy enkulu ezintsha manje nina ezifika nani embonini zokudayisa imoto asiyazi yonke lonto thina yonke into oyenzayo uqala uyifunda awufika ngale emhlabeni wena uphethe manual nje yokuzophila kuthiwa hayi nayi uzalwe nemanual yokuphila impilo njengoba esebenza halfway nje wazalwa nayo le manual yokuyosebenza halfway yonke into inosuku lokuqala no first day no second day ugcine usuyimasterisha njengabanye so musa wena ukuyokwenza iresearch ka 3 seconds mase uyabuya la uzozenza ngathi uwena ozowumasterisha lo msebenzi usihlule sonke mina njengamanje ngisemgaqweni ngiyaduka la ngiyodeliver imoto eHillcrest akuyona imoto yami yokuqala kuyona yesibili akuyona angazithi esingakhi lapho angazi nokuthi emotweni ugearbox ukuphi mina mengimemeza ama newton meters la nama kilowatts nethange lu4 litha emotweni azi nothi lihlala lapha emotweni nalo lo thange suke ngenzela ukuthi imoto ayiphumi isuke eduze kwami phele inyanga ngihole uyabona celani kahle umsebenzi usho ukuthi ngilambile inbox ubulala khona umuntu ethi ubulala la ku TikTok akazwani nomuntu olambile lo yababa inbox ubulala umuntu ethi bulala ikelemu ziyaxabana ikelemu ngiqashe bulala Vincent Bulala ukuthatha kufaya emsebenzini ungazi lutho mina bengingakwazi ukuhlukanisa phakathi kwePolo ne i20 kwayi hatchback nje kumina konke iPolo le kwayisideni la kimi konke iCorolla yathanda ukuba nkulu nje yathi kumina konke iFortuner namanje imoto angizazi kodwa makuphela inyanga iyakhuluphala iaccount yami ibank account yami ngoba imoto angizazi kodwa angidlali ke mina imoto ngiyazidayisa Nkosi yami angizazi imoto angifuni ukuze ngiqamba mangala kunina ngithi ngumaster content ngiyazi angizazi phezulu kwalokho ke khona okunye ngizonitshela kona namhlanje endingakwazi ngisho i-driver's license ngingayoyenza eMpumalanga ngeke ngize ngiyithole ngoba angibone emehlweni namanje njoba ngiyodeliver ngihamba no driver uyabona angisoze okusho ukuthi imoto angiyazi angikwazi kwakuyi-drive angisoze futhi empilweni yami nangibona ngidrive imoto ngisho ekhaya kithi ngane imoto eziwu-53 angeke ngize angazi lutho nje mina ngemoto methi nje umuntu awungivulele ibonnet lapho wedudu angilazi mina ibonnet silivulwapi sengamane ngivula ibhuthi yabona nje mesifika egarage kuthiwa uthi awuvule isikhwama lesi sapetrol ngibakaza ngivele ngithi hayi angibone emehlweni angisazi isikhwama sapetrol ukuthi sivulwa ngani uyabona izimoto angizidayisi-ke ngigilisa mpulake so uma ufuna umsebenzi khuluma kahle uthi nazi ikele muzixabana ziza ngiququda amathumbu ngifuna umsebenzi musu kufika usuzenza umaster la ngathi wena-ke manje usuwazi usihlula sonke lapha e-halfway umaster ayenziwa lonto khuluma ukuthi ulambile sikusize uyabona uzongawutholele lento yenzayo umsebenzi ukuthi manje ena uqhamuka nje wena usuzenza-ke i-dictionary-ke olamba kudliwa.
Facebook conversation is about abantu abasebenza kuma-car dealership companies, especially ama-influencers or abantu abane-high following. Abantu bawudinga umsebenzi and it's very important ukuthi maqhamuka ithuba ulithathe and then ungatatazeli. Mina someone offered me a job ka-halfway kange ngize ngiyithathe and ke ngiyithathe na into engiyenze nje ngikwazi ukuyodayisa imoto ka-halfway. The reason why is because ngibuka ama-influencers adayisa ka-halfway ukuthi it seems stagnant for me. It looks stagnant. Base bakwi-car dealership nje angiboni, like I don't see anything happening. I just see them dancing yabo. So ayingimotivate lento ukuthi mina ngaya kodayisa. Mina I know myself, mina I can sell, mina dayisela i-pubic hair uyitheke like uyibona reason why, but I have ingqondo that eracer kakhulu. Besides the fact this is not about me, I just want to know mhlawumbe kukhona umuntu oyingqwelele ka-halfway ozophendula or abantu abasebenza ka-halfway abama-influencers ukuthi guys yabo ka-halfway I think baniqashiswa ukuthini, they say ukuthi abantu bane-interest nina, you can pull numbers, you have abantu ba-engage nani and stuff, but nayi into la kumele nitshengise ukuthi nisemsebenzini and baniqasha ngoba bayabona ukuthi ni smart and you guys are smart. I don't know ukuthi mhlambe ngenze ukuthi kwi-management kunezinto engavunyelwa. You are selling cars to othisha nonesi. Othisha nonesi are competitive. They're so financially competitive in a good way. They like things. They know how to pay. They're good payers. But right, you are selling cars so abantu abanama-address ala abasebenza khona. Build a last-longing relationship with those people. Ka-halfway na kuyaphuma imoto ezintsha. The first people who have to see those cars oba abantu eseninabo vele ama-client enu, abantu vele abama-customer asebethengile, niyahamba nezikoleni nizobalethela nje imoto ngizosho ukuthi i-halfway activation, nihambe nezikoleni niyozwisa nje othisha. Obviously you have to nibe precautious, nihambe nabantu who are trained drivers so that kuzoba safe. Othisha nibazwise nje imoto guys, othisha ba competitive. Teachers are very competitive, honest, ba competitive, bayayithanda izinto nakhona ni hosta kanjani, niyabadlala ngengqondo. Okay, uthisha uSimamane uhamba nge-Hilux, wathenge i-Hilux mhlawumbe lanini yabo, niyazi ukuthi uSimamane ninayo kwi-database, niyamfonela Mr. Simamane, we would like to come to your school and introduce a new fleet of imoto zaka-halfway na nazi la kanje, could you speak to your principal ukuthi kanje ngosuku olukuthi kanje in return we are going to sponsor isikole senhlaphe ngama cleaning detergents ama mop nani there will be izinto eziwinwayo and stuff. Ama-customer nizowathola lapho. Ama-customer nizowathola lapho, nifika nebhena yenu enayo ukuthi uSimamani ukuthi uhamba nhloboni yemoto enamakhilomitha amangaka wayithenga nini kwasho kacimba kanjani ukuthi uSimamani ngakwazi ukuqualifyela for ukuthi imoto ayithathe ayilokhuze. Guys, I trade in you guys. You need to go. Guys, ngeke nikwazi ukuthi nihlale ngaphakathi ka halfway dance. Trust me. It's nice, it's entertaining, but you guys were hired because you are smart and you guys know what you are smart. And I don't know what the breakdown is between Nina or umqashwenu, but you need to put in the work. And was also need dancers here forever and ever. So come up with good strategies. Because manje kuzophenduka ngathi abantu sebeqala ukube ngathi banomona ukuthi niyaniqashiwe. Come up with ama strategies. Invite amalokhuza, even ingaye ekoleni, just invite abantu asebe ona vele imoto kunina nibayise khona ama open ton number 20 go open road nibaniki experience. You guys need to build a strong relationship with your clients. I see indaba yama followers into at the end of the day kumele nidla. At the end of the day kumele nidla nemndeni. Sit down, ni smart guys. But khulumani nabaqashi benu ukuthi you guys need to go out. You guys angeke njalo every day nisetha ama tripod niyenza. Mina nje ngiyajabulela guys ukuthi niyasebenza and I am very proud. Akukho mnandi ukubujika nelanga. Ngiyajabulela ukuthi niyasebenza. But let's use a smart strategy as a builder a clientele for you guys, not just ama client ahamba angabe sabuya, ama client azobuya and nakhona ama client azobuya sehamba nabanye abantu abazothenga kunina because you are giving ama clients any service a top elapha. Prioritize the clients that you have. Don't worry about ukuthola ama client amasha. Okay, ama client amasha this lawa akhona wenzeni abuye, wenzeni ashama trade in, laba khona wenzeni uptake futhi, what give ama customer enu exclusive experience. Ni smart. Nani ngeke nize nibe nama followers are over 100,000 ningekho smart. You guys are smart. I don't know, you are just sleeping on yourselves or nizama prioritize umsebenzi nokuba ama influencer. At the end of the day kumele nidle.
Uzokomplelela ukuthi wonke ama-influencers aseKZN adayisa imoto. Bake baqasha wena wanqaba ukuthatha umsebenzi. Bake bazama ukuqasha kwathiwa you may come in Tontoni wanqaba. Nawe uthola ithuba nawe uhamba udayisa imoto. Umuntu ongafuna udayisa imoto akathule, ofuna ukuyidayisa imoto.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Kunalento letrendako lenkulumo lapha enkundleni yokuxhumana yokuthi ma-content creators alamaningi ase-KZN sekathengisa imoto kubo halfway. Uma nje umuntu osikane following learning halfway yamqasha ukuthi athengise imoto, li-page lalo muntu loyo life. Bandle bamlandzela lo muntu loyo ngoba bamthanda. So hleza bakhomba imoto each and every day, and people are not happy about that. So because people are saying ukuthi bamfollow lo muntu ngoba bamthanda ngoba bathanda content yakhe, hayi content yetimoto ke sana. So bayasho nje ukuthi abasho labantu makuthi abasafuna ukuqhubeka ne-content sebafuna bona kuthengisa imoto kuphela. And people are saying ukuthi bona labantu laba baqashako lama content creator laqashwa ukuthi athengisa imoto bo halfway, they don't even know anything about imoto. Abati bonnet ngakuphi, booting iphi, elbedre lihlala kuphi. Into labayikhona konjena ukuthi bajayive laphana beyanto athenga imoto bajayive, but they don't know anything about cars. So people are saying ukuthi abayekele lento leyo ukuthi bathi jinje ama page yawo amakhulu bathengise imoto. But that's yona ama content creator eboni yasihlanyela yini nifuna ukuthi thine sibe ma content creators busy sibe nema page lamakhulu but sibe silamba uma basicasha kufana singavumba sicashe because nine nifuna ukuthi sinendele content. Do comment your thoughts on down on the comment section. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. So goodbye.